Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a fascinating and potentially unsettling development in the world of AI. Remember Rabbit, the company behind the hyped-up R1 device? Well, they're back, but not with more hardware. This time, it's all about software, an Android AI agent that promises to control your apps with just a text prompt. But here's the million-dollar question. Is this the future of convenience? Or are we handing over too much control to AI? The answer is more complex than you think, and some early tests show that this thing is slower than my grandma using dial-up internet. Is this really progress? Let's break it down. So what exactly did Rabbit unveil? They've showcased a generalist Android agent that can perform tasks on an Android tablet by processing text prompts. Think of it as giving your phone instructions like, "Hey AI, send a WhatsApp message with a poem I just wrote," or "Find me a YouTube video about whiskey cocktails and add the ingredients to my grocery list." In a recent blog post and demo video, Rabbit showed the AI agent successfully adjusting system settings, playing YouTube videos, managing grocery lists, generating AI-powered poems, sending messages, downloading games, and even creating revenue plans in Google Docs. Sounds impressive, right? The demo uses a laptop to type prompts that control an Android tablet, highlighting the potential of a cross-platform system. But before you get too excited, let's talk about the reality check. This isn't the slick, instantaneous AI assistant you might be imagining. Think of it as an AI intern, eager to help, but sometimes a bit slow. Let's dig deeper into what this AI agent actually does. Rabbit is leveraging a concept called Large Action Models, LAMs, to bridge the gap between user intent and app execution. Instead of relying on traditional APIs, the AI agent appears to be observing and mimicking human actions within the Android environment. This approach allows it to interact with apps even if they don't have specific AI integrations. Think of it like teaching a robot to use your phone by watching you do it. They are building on their earlier work with LAM Playground, a web-based AI tool launched last year. This Android AI agent is an attempt to move these capabilities to mobile. However, the demo revealed some serious limitations. The AI agent is noticeably slow. For example, sending a poem line by line over WhatsApp is hardly efficient. This suggests that the agent's inference engine, the part that processes the prompt and decides what to do, needs significant optimization. Also, the fact that they are using a laptop to control an Android tablet raises some questions. Why isn't the R1 involved? This product launched early last year, but has struggled to live up to its initial promises. Perhaps the company is shifting its focus to software, leaving many to wonder about the future of their $199 wearable AI gadget. This shift towards software aligns with a broader trend in AI development, moving away from dedicated hardware and focusing on creating adaptable AI agents that can operate across existing platforms. This approach is further supported by advancements in federated learning, which allows AI models to be trained on decentralized data sources, minimizing the need for proprietary hardware ecosystems. A research paper published in the Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research in 2023, titled Federated Learning for Mobile AI Agents, explores this trend in detail. It highlights the potential of federated learning to improve the performance and adaptability of AI agents in real-world scenarios. But let's be honest, many of the tasks shown in the demo, adding items to a grocery list or playing a YouTube video, are things most people can do just as quickly, if not faster, on their own. So what's the point? This is where things get interesting. On one hand, we have the promise of ultimate convenience. Imagine an AI assistant that can seamlessly juggle multiple apps and tasks, freeing you from the mundane aspects of digital life. On the other hand, handing over control of your Android device to an AI agent raises some serious privacy concerns. Who has access to the data generated by this agent? How is it being used? And what happens if the AI makes a mistake? There are two main camps here. The first camp, the AI optimists, believes that these concerns are overblown. They argue that with proper safeguards and transparency, AI agents can significantly improve our lives. They point to the potential for increased productivity, personalized experiences, and even new forms of creativity. But the second camp, the AI skeptics, is far more cautious. They worry about the potential for misuse, bias, and even malicious attacks. They argue that we need to carefully consider the ethical implications of AI before we blindly embrace it. So, how do we navigate this complex landscape? One thing's for sure. We need a way to verify the AI agent's actions and ensure it's not doing anything we don't want it to do. One potential solution is to implement a human-in-the-loop system where users are prompted to approve or reject the AI agent's actions. Another approach is to use explainable AI techniques to understand why the agent made a particular decision. This would allow us to identify and correct any biases or errors in the AI's reasoning. But these are just potential solutions. The truth is, we're still in the early stages of AI development, and there are no easy answers. We need to keep asking tough questions and demanding transparency from companies like Rabbit. Otherwise, we risk sleepwalking into a future where our devices are controlled by algorithms we don't understand. So, what does all of this mean for the future? Rabbit's Android AI agent is undoubtedly a fascinating demonstration of what's possible with AI. It builds on a growing wave of AI tools offering to take control of your devices and automate your tasks. OpenAI has been developing the App Controlling Operator, and Anthropic is testing a feature called Computer Use for its Claude AI assistant. But it's also a stark reminder of the challenges and risks involved. The slow performance, the unanswered questions about the R1, and the potential privacy implications all suggest that this technology is still a work in progress. Ultimately, the success of Rabbit's Android AI agent and similar technologies will depend on whether it can truly deliver on its promise of convenience without sacrificing our privacy and control. For now, it's a cool demo, but it needs refinement before it becomes a truly useful tool. So what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of AI agents to control your Android device? Or are you worried about the risks? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest AI developments. Your thoughts and opinions are crucial in shaping the future of this technology. And hey, if you have a Rabbit or one, let us know if you think you got your money's worth. We're curious to hear your thoughts. Switching gears slightly, there's also news coming out of the Android world that could significantly improve your phone's lifespan. With the beta release of Android 16, Google is likely reintroducing the battery health settings page for Pixel devices. This feature, which was previously tested but never fully released, will provide users with valuable insights into their battery's condition and capacity, as well as offer tips for extending its lifespan. It's like getting a checkup for your phone's battery. Google is also tipped to be working on a new feature for Pixel phones that will recalibrate battery measurements over weeks. This could help improve the accuracy of battery percentage readings and prevent unexpected shutdowns. These updates are a welcome addition, especially as our phones become increasingly reliant on long-lasting batteries. It seems Google is taking battery health seriously, and that's good news for all Android users. Let me know in the comments if you are looking forward to this feature.